uhamba ngenyawo imini yakhe mayihamba siyazi yathi eminye yomuntu ikuhayika
ile mbona uli
kodwa ukuthi uzosiza wena emfile kuhayika lezo zinto lezo ngingazicabanga ziyazingenze ngizwe ngihlanye ekhanda nakuma spirits ngiyaprotesta ngiyacontesta that I find my greater heights that ngibe nginazo izinto ungazilandela uzwanga uzithola ezinye vela so zabantu zazazazwa ngezabelungu amlungu wani into wenza abantu abamhlophe umhlophe ngabona uyipink akuna umuntu omhlophe if we talk of white sikhuluma ngala mafotho la abantu la lethwa la bawudelela bawuletha khona ngithatha ifoto mana ngivalele bazoze bayibona bese ngithatha le foto sengifaka la phakathi esitimeleni nazibazikhiphile ezinye abomkhulu nogogo kade madlozini kolalwa kanjena la yebo mkhulu nogogo kade madlozini kophilwa kanjena na we salale sisu nesiso sisiphatheleni imikhonto manje sipha amacebo okuxolelana salale sisu nesiso sisiphatheleni imikhonto manje sipha amacebo okuxolelana yebo salale sisu nesiso sisiphatheleni imikhonto manje veza amacebo okuxolelana. There is a thing called inviting the light. Each and every soul, each and every person needs a light. Even when you read the Revelations in the Bible, they talk about isibane. Singabe sikhona phezu kwetafula yini leso sibani sakho or isibani sakho simbozekile na. Vuka uvuselele lokho obese kuzofa. Psalm 3. Uthi ngiyakwazi awuyithandi imisebenzi yamaNikolai. It was those people who were opposed to the righteousness, to the good spirits, to holiness. Those people who were of the opposite side. It's people who were believing in some negative stuff or who had some techniques and the craft of attacking, you know, the righteous. So uthi kulana ngiyakwazi awuyithandi imisebenzi yalawo maNikolai. Kodwa ke vuka uvuselele lokho obese kuzokufa. You understand what I'm saying? In other ways, he was bringing that soul in realization that you are not doing enough for your survival. You are not doing enough for your health. You are not doing enough for your finding your greater heights or achievements. So, because when you're busy relaxing and expecting all the magic, God can bring sugar here, God can bring a bag of peas, God can bring cooking oil there. There is no such a thing. Wake up, Zama, and then the spirits will help you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Are you guys there with me? Good. So we start. You can take your start. We start. Welcome. Ngicela ukuhamba logodo guys ngiyalifuna. Izimfathu zambe nokhamba zo.
Ube sesibuyile ngazi ukuthi ukuhamba logodo.
Wena nizonkoshela laba bantu abana laba bantu bazovela bathi abantwana baloyiwe. Lo muntu akakwazi ukulapha lo. Lo bantwana athi lapha thina yahlanya lo. Basho njalo zenhlizweni zabo ngomphakathi babona bethu. Right. Nizofaka la meeting ngene. It's meaningful. It is here for a purpose. You have got estimate, you guys call it snake, nagin, but I don't call it from. There is a purpose why I'm having it here, as I've aligned it with river deities and river goddesses. You find them in form of pythons, boa pythons, the water python, like that one. You put water for it there. You have seen albino pythons. The person, the mythical person, human fish stuff. Mamlambo and Jews, they call it with so many names. Mami water in what this river? This big river in West Africa, this is Nigeria and stuff. even some parts of Zambezi. In Zambezi, they call it, the Tonga people call it Nyami Nyami. Nomkulu and Nwazulu, Kamata, Ngalengagini. So these things have got names. And the Zikona, you find them in each and every part. Even the Amazon River, Mississippi River in the USA, there are places which are known for such. You know, remember the Amazon, they cross even down to South America. The Red Indians have got their beliefs which are aligned with those waters. The Chinese have got their beliefs and their deities. They call it dragon, whatnot, which is aligned. I can have these things taking some certain forms by night. And they come and kandaya you or do some is for a good and a bad purpose. Well, because guys, you cannot live not doing only good stuff. When wars come, what are you going to do? Those people were fighting. They were not fighting to give each other life like God did when He created a man. They were fighting to kill each other and win the wars. When you come to these ports, these ones, these ports. Ngizokupheka ngebhotshwana elincane. So this is the very same purpose they are here.